But let's focus back on earnings. Insecticides India just came out with numbers just a short while back. So it looks actually like there's an operational improvement this time around. So margins have expanded to about 11% in terms of profit. Also, they've seen about a 5% rise. Rajesh Agarwal, the MD and CEO of the company, now joins us on the telephone line with more details. Mr. Agarwal, good afternoon to you, sir. First up, if you can give us a sense of the volume and price breakup for the quarter, and now what's the outlook for FY19?
If we look at the last quarter, actually, last quarter is generally a smaller quarter for us. And in the previous year, the sales has not.
Mr. Agarwal?
Now is to work on the new generation molecules. And we are trying to bring them through our own R&D centers and our collaboration partners. You will find a big change has come in the profit margins, actually. And last year, our profit broadly, if we look at EBITDA, it has gone up.
I think we've got him on a bad line. What we'll try to do...
If we look at our... Yeah.
Mr. Agarwal, I think it's a scratchy line, so we'll try to get in some more details from you. You said your profit margins have improved, but a large part of that also is on account of lower finance costs. They've come down by about 40% this quarter. So if you could tell us whether you've reduced your debt by that amount as well, what does it stand at right now?
Yes, the debt is, I don't have the exact number, but yes, the debts have come down a lot actually, and even the working capital limits, our utilization is small. So overall, the financial expenses have also come down. I was talking about EBITDA 14%, but if we look at the PAT margins, there you see a growth of about 40% plus. 41% is the growth in the PAT margin from 60 crores or 59.4 crores to be precise in 17. By 18, it is 84 crores actually. We look at the PAT margins. So here, yes, we have the advantage of the financial cost, which is reduced by about 6 crores odd. I don't have the exact number in front of me, but that has been the advantage. But primarily, it is due to the change in the product mix, because we are introducing new generation molecules since last 2-3 years actually. It has been our endeavor. And in the next year again, we are going to bring more than half a dozen new agrochemicals actually. We are launching more than half a dozen brands in the market. So the entire focus is that we get the sales growth from these new brands actually, and we keep on increasing the margins in our product.
Right, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, so the strategy is that some of the generic molecules where we have to work at very small margins actually, we'll be exiting some of those molecules and try to bring the new generation products actually to the farmer.
Okay, so exactly this new launches is what I wanted to ask you about. How much might they incrementally add, and do we expect the launch in the first half of FY19?
Yes, there will be a launch of about 5-6 products in the first, like if I talk about the first half, then first half may see about 7-8 products actually, out of which about 6 products will be coming in the first quarter itself. Though the contribution in the first quarter may not be that big, because they are going to come practically majorly in the month of June. So only 1 month sale we'll get. But yes, they will start contributing from this quarter itself. About 5 to 6 products we expect to launch in June.
All right. Thanks a lot, Mr. Agarwal, for joining us and giving us all those details. We will keep an eye out on that. Meanwhile, we're getting a lot of numbers. Vascon Engineering is the one that should come up for you. That one's spiking.